my name is Sophie, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a dog face. You need a square piece of paper, some tools to use to color with, crayons, colored pencils, markers, Sharpies, anything you can use to color. Are you ready? Let's start it. First, you have your square piece of paper. You're going to flip it to make it look like a rhombus or diamond. And then you're going to start at the top and then fold it down so your rhombus or diamond is in half. And so here you have to make it even. It's pretty hard to make it even sometimes, but you'll get it. Okay, it should look like an upside down triangle. And then here, we're going to fold it down into a triangle. This part should be facing away from this part. This is going to be the ear of the dog face. And then we're going to do the same on the other side. Make your ears even. Okay, now that we have the ears done, this chin is pointy. And we want our dog to have a fat, round face. So what we do is we're going to fold it here. Fold it in that pointy part. You can make it as round, as flat, or as pointy as you want your chin to be. I'm going to make mine flatter. Okay, now that we got the shape of our dog face, we're going to draw the eyes and nose and mouth. I'm going to draw a circle for the eyes. 2 circles. And then I'm going to draw some highlights and then color in the rest to make it look extra cute. But you can make your eyes look sad, happy, angry, any kind. And then the nose, I'm just going to make a simple oval. You can make yours triangle or any shape really. Then I'm going to draw a line and draw a curve, another curve. And then I'm going to use a red colored pencil, but you can use a red marker, red crayon, or anything. And make the tongue hanging out. You can add spots or anything. I think I'll just give my dog a little patch over one eye. And then color it in. Okay, I'm gonna color mine brown. Okay, we're done making our dog faces. Hope you got it. You can make more if you like it.